priority corridors, which really links with what Brian just talked about. Of course, we have the 11 corridors. We have 3 state, 3 county, and 5 city corridors. It equals over about 20 miles, and it captures 10% of our total KSIs just by doing 20 miles of improvements. Each of our corridor reports has 4 chapters, and so I just kind of listed the table appendix here. These were just submitted in June as draft, and so we're kind of currently in review and revision, hoping to finalize next month. So chapter 1 is really like kind of why are we doing this project? Number 2 is really what's the existing conditions and analysis. Chapter 3 is a summary of all the stakeholder coordination that we did, both public meetings, road safety audit, and the stakeholder coordination with our cities and county and state. And then chapter 4 is really the meat of it, is kind of what we propose. And it goes through all the proposed improvements, a cost estimate of that, the BCA that we just talked about, and kind of how we can tee it up for next steps. Stirling Road is another FDOT corridor. Our corridor was 95 to US 1. On this one, we had 27 safety countermeasures proposed, 16 corridor, 11 intersection improvements. I'm just going to quickly go through these. This one had 2 segments. So from I-95 through the Dania Point development to Bryan Road, you can see the top intersection. So we kept the lanes because we've got those big developments on both sides, north and south. And then as you go east, we were able to repurpose the lane going east to US 1. You've got a residential area and be able to get those protected bike lanes, wide sidewalks with the tree lined. So that's the intent of Stirling. Here's the layout. You can see the interstate on the top left, and then Dania Point, and then that Oakwood Plaza is on the north and south. As you get to Bryan Road, which is that first intersection that's like coral color, it's a raised intersection to kind of enter into the more residential local context. And then through there, you've got the 4 lanes, medians, offset sidewalks, tree-lined streets, raised intersections, raised crosswalks to connect transit. We've got kind of a wonky intersection at the railroad that we were able to tighten up. People are having issues stacking up on the train tracks and not being able to see the signals. So really tightening up that intersection there. And then, yeah, just really tightening everything up and being able to create a safer street.